What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another full self-driving beta video. Can you move forward at all? You're like right behind the GoPro. Or is that? No, I mean your whole seat. Today we're doing something.
Can I go back?
You can do whatever you want.
That's more
We're doing something a little different. We are taking full self-driving beta with Stephanie in the car. We're going to see if it's wife approved yet. And audio, I don't have my mic in because then you can't hear Stephanie, so audio might be a little off, but that's okay. So, yeah, what do you think? You ready?
I guess.
All right, turning it on. So disclaimers, full self-driving beta is not finished, so it can and will make mistakes, and that's why my hands are here to take over. But if you see the blue steering wheel, that means the car is making all maneuvers. So I'm gonna let the car do as much as it can, as much as wife is comfortable with. You can tell it to stop if you want, and I will take over. But I think I have a lot more tolerance for letting it do things than you might.
Yeah.
So we're heading, why did it skip to that left turn? I guess that doesn't matter. So you want to tell them where we're headed?
Yeah, we are going to an ultrasound appointment because we're having another baby. And
yeah,
we get to find out if it's a boy or a girl.
Super excited.
Yes.
Giant baby 2. Electric Boogaloo. So we're heading over there, and it's not too far of a drive. We're going into a downtown area. Figured we'd let the car take us there. So that'll be a lot of fun. Thank you so much for subscribing, everybody. Been really enjoying that. Been letting people know that like 70 to 80% of people watching aren't subscribed. So if you want to subscribe, it'd be really appreciated. Trying to hit that 100K number. At this rate, we'll be there in like a couple months, which is blowing us both away. So really appreciate that. So yeah, let's let the car do its thing and see what you think.
Okay.
Maybe on the way back, you could try it.
No. Drove your car home that night from the tire place.
Oh, okay. Did you use it?
No.
Oh, okay.
But the screen looked like that.
Like, oh, the beta?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So when I got in the car and it was dark, you know, it was really overwhelming. Like, I was like, I can't even look at this at all.
Interact with this guy. What do you think?
I don't like it.
Oh, it moved over after we're already passing them, so that was not bad.
Well, they moved way over,
right.
So.
That was weird. You didn't mind that?
I wasn't looking. I don't know what it did.
It went like it was going to drive into their mailbox, and then it fixed itself.
Honestly,
An accelerator. What?
Because I wasn't paying attention and wasn't thinking about it, I thought it was you dodging a pothole.
Oh.
I forgot that we're...
Maybe that's what it was doing, and I didn't notice.
I can see the biker. Can it see the biker? It can't see the biker.
Not yet. Yep, there he is. It showed him for a second, and then it showed him turn left. Did you see that?
Yep.
So it showed him at the last second. But it's okay. At that point, he was irrelevant. So, all right, left turn. Do you trust it?
Out here, yeah.
There's a truck coming, though. What if it goes? It waited.
Okay.
Now it's checking.
Luckily, that car was turning right, or it would not have been happy. And thank God the biker's on the other side of the road.
It probably saw the turn signal.
You stay right over
Look,
there.
It is showing him. It showed him.
Why is he turning blue and yellow? And
It depends. So like traffic coming towards us is yellow. Traffic we're following is green. Traffic going the same direction, but not that we're not behind is blue.
It's gonna like get too close to this guy.
There, I'll give him some more room.
Yeah, like let's be polite out here.
Nobody's polite to me. They'll tailgate me and get angry.
Well, you're in a Tesla.
What does that have to do with anything? Oh yeah, that's true.
Didn't see that little can on the side of the road.
Are you sure about that?
No.
We'll have to look at the footage because it might have. It drove around a newspaper for me. Yeah. Obviously she doesn't watch the videos. So this stop sign is not mapped. So the car uses map data and the cameras. So see how it's still going fast? And now, I mean, this guy's in front of us, so he's a guide too. But every time it gets to the stop sign, it like waits later than normal to start slowing down because it uses the camera to detect it rather than like knowing it's there through the map. So.
Oh, rolling stop. Gotta love it.
Yep. And then right turn. This is where it doesn't turn the turn signal on early enough. So I did it to let that guy know so he can make his turn. Yeah, I do that. The things I do most often are, I mean, it's not like life-saving maneuvers where I'm like, oh, don't go off that cliff. It's like hitting the turn signal earlier than it does and hitting the accelerator. That's like what I do most often.
Well, because that's like our biggest pet peeve is when people don't use their turn signals at the right time. Yeah, it took that curve a little bit too quickly.
I thought it was too slow. Where is this place? Oh, it's super easy. We like barely need to do anything.
There's like no turns. Look at this pedestrian.
Yep. Look at him on the screen too.
Where?
See? She's right there.
But like I was waiting and waiting and waiting. Like, when is it going to show?
Sorry. Maybe. He's irrelevant at that point. Like, we don't need to see him.
But I just like that it does, because you were saying how around the curves it was showing. Well, I guess it shows cars probably easier.
Maybe. But
there's some bumpy like little holes in the road there, and it doesn't see those, but it kind of does.
Yeah, it's not hitting them.
It's moving.
It sees all the garbage cans. Like, I think it's so cool. It sees all these parked cars, and then see the dot on the car.
Those are irrelevant.
No, they're not. What if they start?
That parked car in a driveway is relevant.
What if they start
the
driving
Tesla is
towards
not
us?
going to start hitting a car in someone's driveway.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. But they might start driving towards us, so it needs to know they're there. What I was gonna say, see this dot? That's the back of the car.
Okay, cool. But you're telling me that a pedestrian walking on the road doesn't matter
No, they're slow.
until you're like right against them.
They're slow.
You know what else is slow?
What?
A parked car.
Oh, see? Now it doesn't slam the brakes when they turn in front of you. Isn't that nice? Remember that?
Or go beep, 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 beep.
And it still does that sometimes.
Okay.
Not as much,
That's the worst.
in self-driving mode.
Does it know?
Yeah, it knows.
Oh.
See? A little bit of a hard brake, but you know, better than not braking.
This is like insane to me. It's just way too much happening.
Yeah, I can see all that. Well, the idea is if this is actually doing everything and you don't need to pay attention, which you do for now, you could just see what it sees. That's like to comfort you, like, oh, it sees all that stuff. That's good.
Yeah, it's a lot, like on the eyes.
Looks like a pretty hard right turn here, or a pretty sharp right turn.
Is the blinker on?
No, there's nobody behind us, so
okay.
Yeah. Come on.
That was like a little scary.
That was sick. That was like I did it.
It was like you were in like sport mode. There's a car right there. Like, doesn't it see that?
Yeah, it's good. It drove around it. What do you mean?
But not very much.
Oh, we're here. It passed it.
Oh.
It doesn't go in the parking lot yet. But this is parking. You want to just park here? Street parking?
No, I want to park where it tells us to over there.
All right.
Because we have to wait in the parking lot to get called in.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
All right, we made it. Let's find out this baby, and then we'll try it again. Yeah, I see him.
Oh. This thing is in my face again. I scooched up because it's like too much space in a Tesla. Only for tall people.
All right, so we're all done. We're gonna head back home. I'm gonna drive somewhere where it's a little harder. The car has to do some scary stuff, and then we'll be done. We'll be done with the video. So let's get going. That person just got in their car, and it was like the little graphic of a person like in the car. Wish I was recording. It was so funny looking. And I also need Stephanie to get me a picture of the screen, a nice big one. Now this won't get...
Tell me where you...
I will. This won't get big until autopilot is on. So maybe we'll like go towards the middle of downtown there. That should be perfect. I know you can do it. Okay, so we're on. Stopping at this stop sign. We do have some traffic from the left. Why don't you start practicing? Just to get some shots.
My mom just said that baby's having a hard time falling asleep.
Uh-oh.
So
that's not good.
I'm like, so you just want the full self-driving, you don't want the map, right?
Yeah. I mean, I can crop that out later, but I just need it as big as possible. So, should we tell them? You think they care? There's a car coming. Don't go.
Of course they care.
All right, go for it.
It's a girl!
Yay! Giant baby's gonna have a giant baby sister. Giant baby's a girl. If you didn't know.
Yes. The 2 girls.
So that'll be good. All right, so
We're
as
excited.
it's great news, of course. As we approach this, I hate those little lines. I don't know what you do. Yeah, just go nuts, take some pictures. I can just get rid of anything I don't
I
want.
just hope I'm doing a good job.
Yeah. Do what you can. Maybe you can try and back up a tiny bit. I mean, just play around with it. You just do what you can. It's fine. I'll go through. All right, yeah, as we approach. What do you... No, it's going to turn here. I don't want to turn here. No. Oh, it's so... See, this is the hard part. I want to put it through hard stuff, and it just tries to take the easiest way. Obviously, like, why wouldn't it do that? But... All right, so coming up to this right turn. Shouldn't be a problem. Very nice. What do you think?
That was good, except for the weird break afterwards. But
Slowing down for no reason. Don't do that. I think it saw that as a traffic light on accident. So it started to slow down. Left. Ooh, we have. Oh, okay. These guys are just. Stop with the left turn signal.
newspaper dudes.
Yeah, this is perfect. I wish it would not turn the left turn signal on.
No, he thinks you want one.
No. It's essential.
You gave him a thumbs up, so he thought that you...
Okay.
Oh. This is awkward.
Yeah, sometimes it is. But it did a pretty good job of like it was moving away from the humans. So I really liked that. It was kind of making them feel better. I don't know if he was talking to me. He was like, it's essential travel only. Did you hear that?
Oh, I don't think he was talking to you.
Oh, okay.
How does he know if your travel is...
I know, that's why it was weird. I was like, is he talking to me? This is so strange. All right, so coming up to this left turn, which is always scary. You trust it? I don't know if there's a car coming or not.
There is, but it's far enough away. The speed limit's only 35, so...
Right. All right, so pretty simple. We didn't have roundabouts or too much. What do you think? What's your evaluation? Is it wife approved? Would you use this?
No.
Why not?
Okay, so if I'm just like leisurely driving around, going places, I would not use it because it's still a beta and it's still in testing, and
It's a great point.
it would just be easier for me to just do most of the stuff by myself.
Okay.
Aside from the other nice features like that Tesla already has, like the adaptive cruise control.
The public
and
stuff.
Yeah. But like this works well for you because they need people to test it and report the errors, and you're willing to turn it on and use it to its fullest potential.
I use it constantly.
Yeah, whereas
What about when it's done and it does everything perfectly? Like if it only made errors 1% of the time that you had to do something about, would you use it then?
Yeah, I'd probably be way more likely to.
Sweet. Okay, so not wife approved, but
Not yet.
give it.
Still
Okay,
in beta.
all right. Yeah, that's right. Give it a grade. It's not done. Give it a. It's not done grade. Like it's still learning.
A C.
All right, gets a C. Not bad. I think that's pretty good. I think I
it
agree.
does, for
I'd
the
give it
most
like a
part.
B. I'd give it like a B, but I'm kind of biased.
For the most part, it does what it's supposed to do. It's just a little cringy when it comes to people interacting with.
Cringy.
Well, it is. Like I literally like tense up, and I'm like, this is awkward and embarrassing. Like this person.
I feel that.
This person's gonna be like, oh, there's, like somebody. That person's having a hard time driving their car, and then they just see you like, I don't know.
And then they just see you sleeping. All right, that's it. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one.
A turkey.
And
Did you see a turkey? It did.
Oh,
It had a flash.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I didn't notice it. It'll be in the video. All right, hope you enjoyed this one, and we will see you in the next video. Oh, there's a car coming. Oh. But they have a stop sign. See, that's good.
Yeah.
It's good. B+.
So Autopilot and I are happily driving along